Hello guys, today I've got the MacBook Neo and I'm going to show you how to fix the battery draining fast on this device. So actually this is quite normal that these things occur because this is a budget laptop, although if you feel that this thing is abnormal, we can try to fix that. At first, open here the activity monitor. And now, as you can see, once you're here, you need to go straight to this energy tab. Once you're here, you need to detect here the energy impact. You need to start from the highest to lowest. And as you can see, as for now, we do have activity monitor, the strongest energy impact. You can detect here by yourself your tabs, your applications that uses your battery the most. And what to do now? You need to here detect this application, check what is happening here by using this arrow. If you don't see here this arrow, you need to just go to such application, like for example, I don't have the DaVinci Resolve in the background enabled, but now as you can see I do. Now it will be turned on. And what to do if you have, as you can see, energy impact 2861.6. As you can see here, just throw this application away, but not using the X, because sometimes this application is going in the background, not completely. You don't delete this whole task. So what to do? Click Command and Q to kill this task. Now your application is just turned off completely, and you don't really have to worry about the battery drain. Apart from that, go straight to the settings of your device. They may be here, or you can just go here through the shortcuts. But here, go to the battery, and now as you can see, we have low power mode. It's by default set to never. Tap it and select always on battery. Now, when your Mac is plugged into your power, by cable to your power, it's not using the low power mode. But when it's only on your battery, it will use the safe power mode. So let me turn it off as for the video. And here, what to do now? You need to go somehow to the display, and here, as I can see, we do have brightness. If you have this option disabled and you have your brightness like that, it's not good for you, for your eyes, for everything. So make sure that you have here the automatically adjust brightness option enabled, or you just use your laptop on the low brightness mode, like this for example. The lower the brightness, the better for your battery. You need to remember that. Apart from that, what do I recommend to do is to go here to general. Now you need to go here and scroll. No, it was not here. Wait a moment, I need to find it here. Privacy and security. It was here in the privacy and security, and location services. As you can see here, we do have the applications that use our location, live location right now. The fewer the applications, the better it's for your laptop. So as you can see, we can disable Siri, we can disable voice memos, for example, and so the weather. If you don't really care about the location services at all, you can just here toggle the switch to disable the location. You'll need to use your password or the Touch ID to authorize it. So what else? Go back to the battery, and here go to the battery health. Click this info icon here. As you can see, even though your laptop is quite new, the problem might be the factory issue. As you can see here, they have maximum capacity. If you have your laptop for more than half a year, it's normal that it can be below 100. But if you have your laptop quite new, or you see that you have your laptop only for half a year and you have 80%, it's concerning. You need to go to the authorized service and have it fixed. But as I said, if you have here 100%, you don't need to worry about anything. And just remember to have your optimized battery charging enabled. Now done, and now that's it. Hope it helps you, and now I hope that your MacBook is working properly. Goodbye!